This setup is used to study the relation between the range and the angle of projection of a projectile. Attach a long stick parallel to the end of the hose. The stick indicates the angle of projection of the water ejected from the hose. Use a protractor to measure the angle of projection. Make sure its center is placed at the end of the hose. Now, set the angle of projection to 15 degrees. Turn on the water tap slowly. Vary the angle of projection to 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 75 degrees in turn. Observe how the range changes with the angle of projection.